as we're playing ping pong. It's so incredible. This is Zach right here. He's the star of the ping pong table. So check it out.
Go, Zach, go! Go, go, go! Awesome photographs.
That's a really nice star, buddy.
Yeah! Oh, that was
It's
great.
tied now. It's tied 9-8. Zach might win. We don't know. Let's check it out.
It's tied again.
It's tied.
9-9. Zach is in the lead by a breath.
Oh! And Zach goes ahead. Zach goes ahead.
All right, Zach. Come on, Zach. You got it, dude. You can do it. You can do it.
Oh! And Zach wins the game. I can't believe it.
Zach, put the number 1 up.
Yeah, fine.
Did you know you wanted to play ping pong next day?
Yeah.